Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Illustrator, we're going to see how to switch between the fill and stroke, and also I'm going to show you how to apply that gradient, stroke, and gradient to fill. First, we need a shape. To get a shape from this toolbar, we need to click on this rectangle, and I'm going to draw this here in my artboard. When you draw a rectangle or any other shape, up here we have the fill, which we can change the color. Click in here to select a color. You can apply any color. And also here with color swatches, you can just click to apply any color. Make sure your workspace is set to painting, or maybe if there is any workspaces selected, then you need to get this swatch panel so you can apply the color. And you have all the control bar options up here, which simple just you can click to select or fill a color. And next to that we have the stroke. Here, as you can see, stroke is set to 1, so I cannot see a stroke right here. Let's change that to something like 100. So you can see here we have this stroke. But if I set that back to 0, if you zoom in, so you can see that stroke is with this shape. Now if we want to change the color for a stroke, so simple, we need to click at this, which is called the control bar here in Illustrator. Now I can click at the stroke to choose a color for my stroke. And the second method that you can just double click to apply the fill color or maybe the stroke color is that from this toolbar. Here you have this color picker. Just double click at that. It's going to open this color picker, which you can set a color just like this. Maybe if you are going to get a value of the HCB, which is hue, saturation, and brightness, you can set that to change that color. And also here we have the RGB, which is red, green, and blue. And there is this CMYK also available, which is cyan, magenta, Y is the yellow, and K is the black. Or maybe if you get the color from this hex code, then you can set the hex code right here. Or if you check this option, only web colors, so you can see all the web colors when I move this slider. So you can see there is different web colors available which I can choose from. I'm going to uncheck this for now. Now when you get your color, then you need to click on OK. And also you can click on color swatches, so it's going to open all the color swatches right here. You can see we have different, and you can just click on this button color model to see this color model just like this. Now I'm going to hit OK. Now if I want to change the stroke from here, the color for the stroke, so simple, I can just click here, double click, it's going to open that color picker, which I can change the color for my stroke. And also one more thing, let me show you here that between the fill and the stroke, we can switch by just clicking here, swap fill and stroke, and the shortcut is Shift X. I'm going to just hold the Shift X, is going to change the stroke to fill and fill to stroke. Is going to swap between them just like this. And also from here, if I click, so it's going to change that to this, which is the white. Now I need to just double click here to select another color for the fill and click here, double click to open this for the stroke color. And also is going to set that to 0 with a white background. When I click right here, which is default fill and stroke, it's going to make it default, and the shortcut is this D. Let's apply the color, which we applied the stroke. We are going to set that 100, and for the fill, I'm going to change that something like maybe for the black, or maybe this color I want to change that. And last thing that we need to learn here for a stroke and for fill is that we need to click on this gradient panel, and from here also I can click to switch between the fill and the stroke. If you click on the fill, now I can apply the fill. Click here and choose a color, and also for the second slider, let's go maybe with this color. And if I want to assign this gradient to a stroke, so simple, I need to click right here to click to activate the X, which is the stroke, and click here. Now I can choose some colors for my stroke. So this is how we can switch between the stroke and fill from here, from gradient. And also we learned how to apply the fill color and the stroke color on our shape, not only with the rectangle. If we want to add any other shape, maybe I want to add the ellipse or polygon or a star tool or line segment. So this is how we can fill change the fill color and stroke color in Illustrator for different shapes. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.